Here are the steps to write a good composition. The first thing, when you get the question paper, choose a topic that you are interested in and can write about. That means choose a topic that will give you a lot of freedom to express yourself. That means if you have first-hand experience in that. Otherwise, choose an essay where you have got knowledge about the topic. Try to make correct choice. And after choosing the correct essay, try to stick to the same topic. Then the next thing you have to prepare an outline. Outline in the sense, before start writing, you know that you get 15 minutes before writing. Just think about the essay, think about the topic. What are the points you can make? What are the points coming to your mind? If you feel that no points are coming to your mind, use the 5 W's and 1 H. That is what, where, when, why, who, and how. What facts and ideas can be used? Where it took place? How to make it interesting? Make sure the facts you present are related to the exact question you are going to answer in your composition. Then organize your facts and ideas in a way that it should help to develop your main objective of writing the composition. Then children, the next step is use simple language. Don't use flowery language. Avoid using very long sentences. Write simple sentences. And if you are trying to use phrases and idioms, see that these phrases and idioms are related to the topic. If you are trying to use figures of speech, like for example metaphor, simile, etc., use it only if you are sure about it. Otherwise, avoid. Next is follow the following steps. Choose the main idea. Consider 5 W's and 1 H, already I have told you. Then organize and plan. Write in paragraphs, very, very important. The first one should be introduction. The introduction should be very catchy. You can write introduction in 3 to 4 lines. Then comes the body. Try to frame 7 to 8 points and each point develop into a paragraph. And try to give evidences for each point. Then the next is maximum try to use active voice. Put sentences in positive form. Positive form in the sense, for example, he is often not truthful. Instead of using write this sentence, negative sentence, use he usually lies. So these are the main things you have to follow when you write an essay. Then conclusion. Conclusion summarizes and gives a closure to your essay. Finish the essay with an interesting or thought-provoking but relevant comment. That means your concluding sentence, you can write the conclusion in 1 or 2 sentences. Your concluding sentences should be related to the points you have given above. The next very important point is the presentation. Presentation should be very neat and tidy. No grammatical mistakes should be there. As you know, for every grammar mistake, for each grammar mistake, 1 mark will be reduced. So try to write with proper grammar and punctuation marks. Punctuation marks is very important since it is a part of language skill. Punctuation mark is very important. So try to follow all these examples or all these rules, whatever I have given you now. Hope you have understood this topic, how to write an essay, proper essay. The most important is choosing the topic.